Hi, this is Greg from Office Essentials with another installment of Tech Tip Tuesday. This week, got an Office 365 tip for you, and it saved me a ton of time, continues to save me a ton of time, and hopefully it can do the same for you. So here's the situation. Have you ever been working on a document, you save it, and then you need to email it to somebody? You got to find it, attach it. Sometimes you forget to attach it. Or even worse, you got to convert it to a PDF and then attach it to an email and send it to a coworker or a customer. So I'm going to show you this tip that reduces all of that into one click. How do we do that, you say? Follow me. We're going to go up here to the the quick access bar and customize the quick access toolbar. And we're going to go down here to more commands. It defaults to popular commands. You want to switch that to all commands. It's going to take a minute. And then you want to scroll back up and find email. Okay. And click on it and add it. And then email as PDF attachment. We'll click on that and add that. Then you hit OK. That's the hard part. Now here's your Word document. We're going to email this script here to Vanessa. All you do is come back up here to your quick access toolbar and you'll notice now you have two new icons. Email, email as PDF attachment. So let's do the email first. Click here. Up comes your email with the document attached. Go ahead and send that to Vanessa. Here's your script. You can write out whatever else you want down here. Hit send. There you go. One click. Now, the other neat trick is the send as PDF attachment. This works great if you're sending a quote to a customer or something and you don't want them to be able to change it. Click there. Word will automatically convert that document into a PDF and attach it to your email. And again, you can type it to Vanessa. Here it is. Yada yada. Hit send. It's gone. As you can see, it's a nice looking PDF. That's it for Tech Tip Tuesday. Hopefully, this helps save you a little time. If it does, like or comment below. Let us know your favorite tip. Subscribe to the channel you're seeing this on, or like the page you're seeing this on, so you can get these tips as soon as they come out every Tuesday. Thanks. Talk to you soon.